Find and install Stripe Payments Toolkit in the Wix App Market. After installation, the widget is automatically added by Wix to your home page. Place the Stripe widget wherever you need it. Open App Dashboard. Connect your Sandbox account to test the payment flow. Recommended for first-time users. Copy your API keys into the app to connect your Stripe account. API keys will be stored securely in your own Wix account. Save, test credentials. This will run the app in test mode. In test mode, the app works as if you have a premium plan. Create your first reusable payment setup. Payment setups let you configure your payment details once and reuse the same setup across multiple widgets on your website. Configure setup to match your needs. Since test mode gives you access to premium features, you can create any type of payment setup: one-time payments, donations, subscriptions, or payment links. Once the setup is created, you can close the app dashboard and connect it to your widget. You can also adjust widget styles to match your site design. Explore different customization options. Publish your website to test Stripe checkout flow. Make a test payment first to ensure everything works as expected. In test mode, you won't be charged. You can test different payment methods. In this example, we're using Link. Let's return to the app dashboard and check the analytics. The payment was successfully captured. You can also set up and test automations. Automations let you work with contacts, receive notifications, and create workflows using different payment triggers. Make another test payment to see the automation in action. When you're ready to go live, connect your production Stripe credentials by repeating the same steps you used to connect your Sandbox account. In live mode, the available features depend on your plan. For example, donations are available starting with the core plan, subscriptions and analytics. With Pro, upgrade your plan to unlock more options. The free plan already lets you accept one-time payments and process up to 20 checkouts per month. The Core and Pro plans offer more features and flexibility for about the price of one lunch per month. In this video, we'll show you how to create a one-time payment setup using the free plan. Payment setup is ready. Let's assign it to the widget. You can also customize the widget's texts. As we now use free widget, theme will reset to default 1. You're now ready to receive real payments. Have any questions? Feel free to contact us at vanyadoing@gmail.com.